Hello all, welcome to scenario-based Tableau training offered by Raipati Analytics. My name is Kalpana Raipati. Register at raipatianalytics.com to get the first week, 1 week of the Tableau training for free. Also, get Raipati Analytics mobile app from Google Play Store. In this video, let us learn about how to take out ABC from the tables. So what is meant by this taking out ABC from the tables? Now here, in some of the cases might be, we might need to show only dimensions in the view. Even the combination of the dimensions, that means more than one dimension, or even single dimension alone. But here our requirement is that we don't want to show this ABC. What is meant by this ABC? Against to this dimension, what is the measure that you want to show? So when you brought your measure into the view, then altogether that's a new story. But for some requirement, I just need to show only one dimension, the dimensions. Then obviously for each of the dimension that you are dragging, Tableau gives us the headers. So against to the headers, I don't want to show these ABCs. Then how to take out these ABCs? There are many ways. Let us start discussing one by one. So what is that? First of all, the basic fundamental way is that you can take a calculated field. So what is that calculation? So many of you might know these solutions, but just look at all the solutions that I am discussing. Now bring the what is the calculation I have written for this space? I haven't taken anything, just I have taken two single quotes with a space. Now bring your space to the text. You are able to see, right? Even now, when how many dimensions you are bringing into the view, then you will have only that dimension in the view. And still this space is coming, right? So even if you don't want to show that, just drag this to the end. You're able to see that. Just drag it to the end like this, or else just take it to the entire view, whatever that fits. So now drag the field that you are taking, drag this line till the end of the bar. Okay, this way, just adjust your dimensions that you are having, or else in the normal way when you are presenting on the dashboard, so how you want the space to be taken, based on that you just take the space here. Okay, but here what is that we are doing? We have taken out that ABC from the view. Yes or no? Now here, so now just see, it is showing only the dimensions that we are having in the view. And what is the other way? So this is the first way. In sheet 1 we are looking at the first way. What is the second way? Second way is that here again I am taking subcategory. Directly, if you don't want to take ABC directly, here go to the options of this marks card, and here one such option is selecting the polygon. So this is the second way. What is the third way? Here I am taking subcategory. I am taking here the shape here. So whatever the shape that you want, you can just take it the shape. Now what? I have taken this shape. Now once you have chosen the shape, like either square or the shape option, anything will be fine. So even if you want to take any shape, that is also fine. Even this square will also help us. Once you have taken this, I am taking the square color as white. I am not taking any borders or something. I am just taking the color as white, shape color as white. Even this also will give us the only dimensions in the view. Even how many ever dimensions you want to take, you just take that. So as it is in the entire view, it is coming like this. But still you are not getting anything in the table. Now what is the other way? I am showing you the fourth way. I am taking subcategory. Again my requirement is I want to take out these ABCs. Then what is that I am doing? I am selecting the pie chart here. I am getting the pie chart. Now I am decreasing the size of this pie chart. And from this I am taking the color as white. Now how you are getting? You are getting, I have taken the pie charts, and here I am taking the decreasing the size to 0, and now I have taken the color to white. Okay, now in this way also you can show the text like this. Yes or no? With no what you call, with no other ABC symbols in the view. And what is the last way that I am discussing here? For example, I want, again my requirement is I just don't want to show these ABCs, right? For that, what is that I am doing? I am just taking this min of one calculation. This is the ad hoc calculations that we will create. What is meant by ad hoc calculation? Ad hoc calculation means instant calculations that you will write in the view. Yes or no? Now here I am taking min of 1 like this. So for each of the dimension that you are bringing, you are getting headers. For any measure that you will take, that will gives you the axis. As I have taken min of 1, it is taking this axis, but I just need to, if you see, the axis range is from 0 to 2. I just need to fill this gap. To fill that gap, directly right click on the min of 1 calculation and go to this quick table calculation and select it as percent of total. So as it will be by default performed at the cell level, so percent of total will be 100%. That is why the length will be coming till the end. Just take out the tooltips as of now. Now I got this. Now what is that I am doing? I am just taking the color of the bars as white. Even I am not taking any borders. Now what? I am taking subcategory to the label. So what is that you want to show? I want to show subcategory names only, right? So I brought subcategory to the label. Just go to the label window. Just go to the alignment. Now bring it to the center. Even in this way also, you can show. Once already you are showing your subcategory names here, right? Then no need to show these headers. How you got these headers? With each dimension that you are bringing, any dimension will gives you the header. So right click on the dimension and unselect header. This is the way, this is one of the way that you don't get ABCs in the view. Okay, which way you want, you can choose that out of these 5 ways. Okay, thank you guys.